Spring weather means a return to boating.
Yeah. I should get this tattooed on my liver. You know, there's a few things we didn't do with this that we really should have, eh?
What?
Like take the air filter off last year, which could have been full of mouse nests considering it sat on the ground for...
We could do that, yeah.
Let's maybe pop that off.
I don't think she wintered as well as we thought. This was my makeshift contraption to keep the snow off, but we're experiencing some water down here. No big deal. There's one missing on the bottom there.
No, it's probably too hard to put back in from the last person that took it out.
And like there's one in the middle there too.
We can smell old petroleum distillate in here.
There you go.
Oh, there is no real air filter, is there? There's just a cap. All right, well, nothing in there.
Nope.
Give her a turn in. Get my finger out of there. Oh, camera's going by. Pull that choke up. Okay, now go. Take that off.
What you seeing?
Well, it's not getting any more gas. Oh, primer ball's not tight. We lost prime. Okay. This thing might have packed up too.
Yeah, it's pretty stiff on there, isn't it? Oh! So there's pressure.
But pressure, but not a lot of gas. Oh no, it's going through. Yeah. Now it might just be taking a second to fill the bowls. Okay. Oh, was I hitting something?
Nope. I don't think so.
Yeah, I think I was hitting that Sea-Doo.
Oh, I was watching. Oh, yeah, probably. Oh, well.
I don't want to burn the motor out on it.
Too bad for the Sea-Doo. Oh, I guess that's true.
Okay, now, try again.
Fingers are free.
Yeah.
Pas d'essence?
Yeah, not getting gas. So I'm guessing the carbs have to be rebuilt. Nothing like playing with an old Johnson in the morning. I mean, we can make it run and probably keep running if we spray it.
I'd rather just get it running right, and then if you bring it to the cottage, then it gets used properly, right?
But this is your feeder line, right?
Yep.
Up to the top carb, and then these are just secondary lines.
Okay.
Right? To fill the rest of the, or to vent between them. But apparently hose clamps were at a premium when they put this together. Because there's more zip ties on there.
So would that just choking it out maybe, as far as the feed goes?
I don't know.
I mean, it ran okay last year.
Yeah, it runs once it's up and going. So we'll see. It is what it is. It's mechanical, so it's got to be taken apart at some point in its life, right? Oh, there we go. I'm messing with that. Van carburetor. Oh no, they've used the red zip ties. Oh, Tabitha. So this is a pretty easy setup to go back together. That just slides in there like that, and then this one goes on the top, and then they all hold together, and they all have their own separate little throttle on here, so that's no issue. This is awesome.
That's a lot. It's intriguing, that's for sure.
Like, I'd have a harder time finding this many zip ties than I would hose clamp. So it looks like at one point this engine was oil injection.
It is oil injection. You've got the injector right there.
But we're mixing the gas though, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, we are. Is it mixed gas or non-mixed gas?
We put mixed gas in there to start off with.
Okay, because that's what these little hoses are. They're all the oil injections.
Yeah. Remember we talked about not putting it back in, but we put it back.
This is the injection pump right here. So this is something we got to make sure we have in the on position.
I did a lot of reading about taking it out, and there was two schools of thought on it. That if you ran with mixed gas, you were fine, but I don't remember
Just use a really light mix.
I don't remember.
Like a 50 to 1, and then in case it's still oil injecting.
Well, no, but there was talk of taking it right out. But then Dave said not to.
Oh, yeah?
I don't remember. I'll jump on internet and read about it again. Tim ran these guys through the ultrasonic cleaner and rebuilt them. There was a little bit of green goop and stuff like that in there. That's all gone now. And we're back for reassembly. Gave the squeeze bulb a little squeeze. We've got gas coming out.
Flowing out of each one, so that's good.
That's not an issue. So now it's just a matter of hooking everything back up and seeing if she runs. But you said these are notoriously hard to start sometimes too, right?
Apparently. Sometimes it's hard to get your Johnson going in the morning.
Well, yes. Very true.
Ooh, you want to see a life/mom hack? So when your zipper pull breaks on your hoodie, as is my case, take a paper clip and wrap it around there and put it through the little lock. Look. Better than new.
And to think, people were expecting just some engine advice today.
Oh, we're full of fashion advice too. I'll hook back up. It'll take a minute to prime because, you don't have spray. You never have starting fluid or brake cleaner or anything?
It's, I do, but it's down at the shop.
Oh. Gotta keep the bottle of that here. I should have brought mine.
Choke it?
Nope.
No?
No, just leave it and see.
Okay.
Yeah.
You getting any gas in there?
Nope, look at me. Everything's on two different sides on this. There we go. All right. Okay, go. It is going to take a second to prime, so. Okay, try again. Go again. And we'll try the bottom. Go. Okay, I think I flooded it. Go. Okay, now just give it a regular start.
It wasn't choked. Oh, you mean
No, just without. Perfect. I don't want to run it any longer without water.
I keep forgetting that we have to use the kill switch to turn it off.
Yeah, I don't want to run it longer without
So
water.
there you go. Disassembled, everything back together. Runs fine. Got rid of the green goop,
Yeah.
and that helps.
So
Perfect.
remember, never put ethanol fuel in a boat motor.
No. But it's hard to find places that don't have ethanol fuel.
I know. Apparently, Petro-Canada.
So there we go. All done. On to an actual Betsy adventure now,
Yep.
right? That's what we'll use this to segue into that. I don't know where we're going, but we'll go somewhere. Right after we de-winterize her. Okay, so we got a bit of a logjam of stuff back here, but that means we're getting prepped to swap Betsy from the old broken up trailer onto this great trailer that we borrowed. Tim is showing up in a new ride today. Oh, look, there he is right there. Hello. So, we're gonna hook up this guy to the 4Runner. I don't even know what year. Oh, it's like a 2001, 2002. The reason I remember that is because you can't find gas tanks for these vehicles, and we needed to find a gas tank for one. Was that what it was? 2001, 2002?
2000, yeah, they made the tank for like 2 years or 3 years or something. It was really weird.
And pretty much impossible to find. And how much were they? Like $900 or something like that?
Yeah.
So.
And going forward now, I'll just put a fuel cell in it.
Yep. Could do that.
If ever happened again. But this
Running
one
good?
It runs great.
How many kilometers on this thing?
300,000.
Oh, there you go. It's giving the white truck run for its money over there. Okay, so we'll get this all hooked up. This needs to go in for sure.
Okay.
We learned our lesson with the Sea-Doos.
There we are.
in preparation for this year's takeoff, I put a little bit more silicone on there, and I don't know how well you can see, but I put some fiberglass patches down there where I put some screws through the hull when I was putting the new floor in. So hopefully we don't have any sinking issues. While Tim works on that, I'm gonna get the other stuff prepped and installed. Now that trailer is so sketchy.
Oh yeah.
That was a slow drive over.
Yep. 3 blocks in what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, it took a while. Okay, you might as well just chuck those in there because you might need them on the other trailer for it, right?
Bust this strap off too, or you think the boat will just fall off if I do that?
No, you've got the
oh, the front thing.
the reels on it. We'll have to just go over to the other side and give her a popping. Oh, this didn't winter very well. Oh, there we go. A little bit of...
It's on their side.
Well, you know what? It's probably the only thing holding it on.
See if it was going to hold or not. I have paddles just in case. I'm gonna choke her a bit. Off is on and on is off.
Yeah, up means that it's running.
Well, it's to on then.
Yeah, and the bilge is right in front of you too, eh? Right above there, behind the wheel.
Behind the wheel.
Look.
Oh, up here. Oh yeah, that's not polluting anything.
Yeah?
It stalled out when I turned around, but it just not warmed up.
Yeah.
It started right back up.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Did you lose your hat? Did you lose your hat?
No, I put it under my foot.
So all in all, a successful...
Yeah, I'm going to raise this up before we drag it up the boat launch.
Oh yes, of course.
Okay, I'm gonna unhook the battery. Oh, and our gas tank wasn't venting.
Oh, that probably would have been...
Vent before starting.
Much better now that it's not on the sketch trailer. Look at that. Perfect. Tim, you have to come out and take a good look at this because what a difference.
The way it's sitting?
Well, it looks like a proper boat now. It doesn't look like somebody's hunk of garbage that they pulled out of the bush.
The lights start. Oh no, they didn't start working.
No.
It's just the reflection.
There we go.
Something clanging on here? Oh,
yep.
Yeah, it's the plate.
Much better. Much, much better.